Welcome back. My name's Drew. You're watching Beer for Breakfast, Facts for Snacks. I think we're going to get a good storm before that happens. I think it's raining right now. Anyways, I got one more beer, and I gotta go to bed because I got work tomorrow. This beer comes from Railway City Brewing, from I just read it, St. Thomas, Ontario. So I saw it, I said, you know what, I'm going to do it. It's 4.8%. Orange Creamsic-Ale. Give her a shot, right? I think I had this a few times already. It's 5 IBU. Oh, I don't want. I hate computers. We hand zested fresh oranges and added whole vanilla beans and oats to create a full-bodied ale with a silky smooth finish. Aromas of sweet vanilla and slight citrus notes fill the nose. Orange flavors dominate through the creamy mouthfeel, leaving the taste of vanilla on the tongue. So let's see if that happens, right? $3.50 a can. Let's go on Tapped. Let's see what happens here. It's expensive, yeah. 3.49 out of 5 with 5,511 ratings. And right. So, you know what? It's a nice looking can. Try something different. I keep saying it. Just try something different. Let's, ooh. She's probably already, oh my god. Ooh. I wish they have, smell-o-vision, because you'd be able to, oh my gosh. Okay, so first thing I don't like about it is there's a lot of head, and it leaves very, very quickly. I do get some oranges and stuff. I don't think this beer is going to be what it is. Like, the smell right now is like there's, I'm pretty disappointed, to tell you the truth. Like, look at, I keep saying a well thought out brewed beer, the head stays and it's gone already. So I'm not liking the smell. Let's go for the taste, I guess. Get a little bit of oranges, a little bit of cream, like they say. A lot of carbonation. I've had many, many better beers than this. This is, like, it was half a can, like. And I've never poured it aggressively. You know what? It's not very good. Pretty disappointed in this. When you see the can, yes, the can. Ooh, gotta get it, right? Yeah, gotta buy it. I just wasted $3.50 on this. 4.9 out of 10. This is horrible. But you know, I keep saying, try something different. Try something different. Well, I did. And I'm not a fan of this. 4.9 out of 10. Like, comment if you're not happy with what I thought. Subscribe. Pretty pissed off over this. Unbelievable. Have a good night. See you tomorrow evening. Bye.